Welcome to SPS School election everyone, and today in Sridhar Public School we are conducting elections to the students of the school, and here we are going according to the same how government takes the election. So you can see here one by one we have the polling agent, and Miss Manjula is the polling agent of the election.
I am Manjula.
Now we can see here APRO, and the full form of APRO is Assistant Public Relation Officer, and she is Miss Lavanya, who is being the APRO of the session. And moving on, now we can see our Chaitra ma'am, and she is the PRO of election, and full form of PRO is Public Relation Officer. And moving on, we have PO, and Miss Bhimambika ma'am is the PO of the election, and the full form of PO is Polling Officer. Okay, here we have Mr. Shivkumar sir, and even he is also the PO of the office. And say hi to everyone to him.
Hello.
And next we have the school head girl, and here we can see the school people leader. We are conducting the community wise, and one of the first committee is school people leader. And moving on, we have the you can see them by looking at them. You can guess which community it is, and it is none other than discipline community. And moving on, we have the bodybuilder head, and it is nothing but sports community. And then moving on, we can see Mr. Chanbaswa sir, and he is the head of healthcare community. And next we have Mrs. Sirisha ma'am, and she is the head of grievance community. And here is Miss Chandu ma'am, and she is the assembly community. And next we have cleanliness and hygiene, and Anusha ma'am is the head of this department. And next we have Mr. Mahesh sir, who is the head of women empowerment community. And last but not least, we have one more community called cultural community, and Mr. Shekhar sir is the head of it. So this is how we are conducting the election. You can see it. Yeah, very importantly, we need the voters, and you can see them here all together. Yeah, please follow me. Last but not least, let us talk to the headmaster of Sridhar Public School and ask what is the election and what is the importance of election.
So election is very important for the our society. So in our school we conduct SPS election. It is purely related to know the awareness of the election to the students. And the main intention of conducting election is to avoid the corruption in the society. So we guide all the candidates related to the corruption, and then in school there is no winning and losing in the election. They have some departments like women empowerment, cultural event, sports department, and then grievance, and the many more departments is there. They have total 16 students are participate, and in that 16 students only one head boy and one head girl will become the leader of Sridhar Public School, and the remaining of their assembly members. In that each cell they having the head leader and the vice head leader. So we will allocated based on the votes. So today around 350 students vote for these 16 students in the for future 2025-26 academic year election of Sridhar Public School. So I thanks to all the teachers who are conducted this election, and then I thanks to my bottom up part to all the management, those who are supporting continuously related to the new things in our school. And then once again I thanks to all the teachers who are there actively involving in the election of this year. Thank you so much.